Standard 3rd, Subject English, Chapter 3, Part 1. Video number is 13 and our topic is the enormous turnip. Hello children, welcome back in our English session. How are you all? You all are very hardworking. You know why? Because during vacation also you are studying by videos of our school and writing worksheets also. So keep it up and well done. Now today I will tell you a story of enormous turnip. You know what is enormous? Enormous means very large. And turnip is one kind of vegetable which is a root of plant. You can see enormous turnip in the picture. Turnip is a root vegetable. Okay, you can see here and see the size of turnip. It is enormous. It is very large. Yes, you can see it is so large turnip. Very big in size. It is very large. So, in this story, we will learn what happened with this enormous turnip. So, let's get started. Once upon a time, an old man planted some turnip seeds. If you want to plant any plant, right? So, first of all, you have to grow seeds, okay, of that particular plant. Then and then you can get the plant. So once upon time, an old man, you can see in this picture one old man. Yes, he planted some turnip seeds. Why? Because he want to get turnip. So he planted some turnip seeds. The turnip seeds grew. The turnip seeds grew and grew. What happened? Turnip seeds grew and grew. Means it became at last what? When it grew and grew, it became one enormous turnip. Means very large vegetable, very large turnip. I want to pull up the enormous turnip, said the old man. Now this old man want to pull up this enormous turnip. Why? Because now it become very large, and so for that he want to pull up this enormous turnip out. So he decided to pull up. But this is an old man. The old man pulled and pulled, but he could not pull up the enormous turnip. This is an old man. So you all know old man can't pull this much of big vegetable by himself. Okay? So he tried and tried. He pulled and pulled, but he could not pull up because the turnip is very large and old man cannot pull up this turnip. Then one old woman came over there. She saw this, so she asked to the old man that what old man is doing. I want to pull up that enormous turnip, said the old man. When woman asked to the old man that what he is doing, so old man replied, he want to pull up this enormous turnip. The old woman said that I will help you. Who is ready to help old man? The old woman. Now the old woman is also joined with the old man, and they both started to pull the enormous turnip. Okay, the old man and the woman pulled and pulled. Now they both are trying to pull this enormous turnip, but they could not pull up because these both are old man and old woman. So they both have not that much of capacity to pull up this big enormous turnip. Am I right? So but they are trying to pull and pull. But at last they could not pull up the enormous turnip. Then suddenly a boy came. Now the third person, a boy. First person is an old man. Then the second person who joined with old man, the old woman. And now who is the third person? A boy. Okay. Now a boy came over there. And he also asked to the old man that what you both are doing here. Right? So what again the old man and old woman replied? We want to pull up that enormous turnip, said the old woman. Now old woman is replying that we both want to pull up this enormous turnip. Okay, so they both are trying to pull up this enormous turnip. So the woman replied like this way. The boy also ready to help him. He told, I will help you. Okay, so the boy want to help them because these both are old people and the boy want to help these old people to pull up this enormous turnip. He also want to help them. So he replied like this way that he will help them. You can see the turnip is so big, so enormous. Enormous means very big. And the old man and the old woman both are pull and pull, trying and trying to pull out this turnip from the soil, from the ground. But as they are old people, they are unable to pull this enormous turnip. And then one boy is coming and boy want to help them. Okay, so children, till here you all understood the story. We will continue our story in my next video. In my next video you will get to know what happened with the enormous turnip and what happened with these three. With these three means old man, old woman and a boy. Okay, so think what will happen next and who can pull that enormous turnip. Okay, so keep in your mind, think about it, learn this story again and again, read this chapter by yourself, try to understand the story. Okay, and so till then stay safe. Jai Hind and goodbye.